Most people think McDonald's became one of the biggest companies in the world because it sells burgers. And at first glance, that seems obvious. Every day, millions of customers walk through its doors. They buy burgers, fries, drinks, and together, those sales generate billions of dollars every year. So naturally, most people assume McDonald's is a fast food company. But what if that isn't the real story? What if the secret behind McDonald's success has very little to do with burgers at all? Because according to many investors and business experts, McDonald's is something else entirely. A real estate empire. That just happens to sell food. To understand why, we need to go back to the 1950s. At the time, McDonald's was just a small restaurant business. Like thousands of others across America. The goal was simple: serve food, attract customers, make a profit. But restaurants have always been difficult businesses. Food costs rise, competition increases, consumer habits change, and even successful restaurants can struggle to generate consistent profits. Then came a man named Ray Kroc, the businessman who would transform McDonald's into a global giant. At first, Ray Kroc focused on expanding the restaurant business. But over time, he realized something that would change everything. The real value wasn't inside the restaurant, it was underneath it. Ray Kroc understood a principle that many people overlook. Products can come and go, trends can change, but valuable land is different. So McDonald's began purchasing property in strategic locations, busy intersections, growing neighborhoods, high-traffic commercial areas, places where businesses wanted to be. Then franchise owners were allowed to open McDonald's restaurants on that land. Think about the power of that model. The franchise owner pays for the building, the equipment, the employees, the daily operations, and much of the business risk. Meanwhile, McDonald's owns the property and collects revenue connected to that location, again and again, year after year. As the company expanded, this strategy was repeated thousands of times, not just across America, but around the world. Each new location became more than a restaurant. It became an asset, a piece of valuable real estate tied to one of the most recognizable brands on earth. And that's where the business becomes truly remarkable. Because while customers see a place to buy lunch, McDonald's sees a network of income-producing properties, a system designed to create long-term value, far beyond the sale of a burger. This is why many analysts argue that McDonald's is not simply a restaurant company. It's a real estate company operating through restaurants. And once you understand that perspective, its success becomes much easier to explain. The burgers attract the customers, but the real estate strengthens the empire. And there's an important lesson hidden in that idea. Most people focus on the product. The world's most successful businesses focus on the system behind the product. Customers see burgers, investors see assets, customers see a meal, McDonald's sees property. Two completely different ways of looking at the same business. So the next time you pass a McDonald's, take a closer look. Not at the menu, not at the drive-thru. Look at the land underneath the building, because that land may be one of the most valuable things the company owns, and it might be the real reason a burger chain became one of the most powerful business empires in the world.